Hey, it's Dawn from 4 Leaf for Life, and tonight I am offering you Reiki for stress and anxiety. And so if this is something that you would like to receive, the invitation is to get comfortable in your seat and to feel your feet firmly planted on the floor as we open up to the most beautiful and vibrant frequencies of Reiki energy to support you. The invitation is to take a deep breath in through your nose, all the way down into your belly, and exhale through your mouth, friends. As we begin to sink into this state of groundedness, into settling into your body, feeling the wisdom and feeling safe in your body. Taking a few more deep breaths in through your nose, all the way down into your belly, activating that rest, restore, relax state. And so imagine that your crown is opening up to receive this beautiful, sparkling white energy that is Reiki, pure, calm, effervescent, flowing down from the heavenly universe in this beautiful cylinder of pure white light. This pillar of pure white light surrounds you now, enveloping you almost like a warm hug. And I'm hearing it to invite in for each and every one of us through divine love, divine wisdom, divine power, and divine truth, a trusted, sacred, divine, feminine mother energy. Now you may think of someone in your life who exudes that warmth, that love, that safety. Or maybe it is a trusted guide, a tree spirit. Just know that that energy is here for you now in loving, compassionate surrender. The energy of Mother is nestled behind you, wrapping beautiful, loving arms around you. Not too tight. But I'm hearing just right. Not too tight, but just right. Allowing yourself to soften, to receive this beautiful energy. And asking the greater spirit, the Reiki energy, to dissolve anything that is corrupting the receiving of this divine, feminine, loving, mothering energy. Feeling any interference just being dissolved now in that white light. The frequencies do not mix. Feeling this silvery light, this golden light, this blue light, this opalescent light which carries all colors, enveloping you now. And feel each one of Mother's hands, this divine Mother, being placed somewhere on your body, your energy body, to help you with that anxiety and stress. Perhaps there's one on your heart, one on your belly. Know that there's nothing to be afraid of. This energy, this divine mother energy, is filled with nourishing, loving, compassionate, non-judgmental frequencies of light and sound. I'm just taking a few deep breaths in, breathing in the Reiki into these areas and exhaling out and feeling the stressful anxiety energy almost dissolving and emanating out through the very pores of your skin as Divine Mother also fills these voids with love, grace, compassion. Feeling an amazing heat here as this energy suffuses you, supports you, embraces you. And we ask that each day you be able to hold steady in this capacity this inner knowing, this inner way of being that holds steady in the face of stressors and chaos. That allows you to access feelings of deep safety and support. And so we end this Reiki sharing now, and we trust that this energy will continue to be made available to you for as long as is needed. Thanks so much for being with me, friends. Take good care.